So today's most precious asset is the data, and today with the increasing amount of data, the businesses require an efficient management systems that they can respond swiftly to market demands and comply with the data rules. So in order to remain competitive in a fast-paced, information-rich environment, when we look at the global scales, the data lakes and the data warehouse are the two basic data architecture options. So what exactly is a data lake? So data lake is a central repository that allows you to store all your data, kind of structured and structured in volume. So data typically stored in a raw format without being processed or structured. And from there, once it's inside, you can polish, optimize it for the purpose at hand. It can be like in a dashboard for interactive analysis, or you can downstream for machine learning or analytical application. I mean, think of it as a way, kind of it is a large water body and say kind of a natural lake. So this lake is created with the data streaming in various sources, and then multiple users can come to take look at it and to examine and take sample from that lake. And beauty of the data lake is that everyone is looking and operating from the same data. So the key characteristics of the data lake is the centralization, and they are kind of practical and a cost-effective option for gathering and storing data of all types and the sizes. So as told earlier, data lakes hold unprocessed, raw, unstructured, semi-structured, and structured data. So only during data retrieval is data structured, which provides data scientists additional opportunities. And also data lakes are also very adaptable and simple to administer. So there is no restriction on creating new data types, which facilitates the use of various applications. And since scaling is not an issue, it's one of the favorite big data designs that we can see and observe. So when it comes to the data warehouse, it's invented in late 1980, and it was designed for the highly structured data generated by business apps. So it brings all your data together and store it in a structured manner. So it's typically used to connect and analyze data from various heterogeneous sources. And its architecture actually relies on a data structure to support highly performant SQL or SQL, how you call it, operations. And data warehouse are purpose-built and optimized, again, for the SQL-based access to support BI and offer limited functionality for streaming analytics and machine learning. So they are constrained by the ETL requirement to pre-process data before storing it. So there are different use cases for each of this architecture. So data warehouse best serves business looking to analyze operational system data for business intelligence. It works well because as the stored data is structured, cleaned, and prepared for analysis. And at the other hand, the data lakes allow businesses to store data in any format for virtually any use, including the machine learning models and big data analysis. And what we see nowadays, data lakes are gaining more popularity compared to the data warehouse. Why? Because artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning represent one of the fastest growing cloud workloads. And organizations are increasingly turning to data lakes to help ensure the success of these projects. Because data lakes allow you to store virtually any type of data, I mean structured and unstructured, without first cleaning, you are able to retain as much potential value as possible for future, for unspecified use. So setup is ideal for more complex workloads like machine learning models, where the specific data types and users have not yet determined yet. So data warehouse may be the more well-known of two options, but the data lakes are likely to continue rising popularity in conjunction with the data workload trends.